So, dear Srila Prabhupada, you were born in 1896, which made your body 69 years old when you came to the West. So, between the ages of 69 to 81, you conquered the world. Now, this is nothing short of astounding, which got me thinking. We, your disciples, are all around that age now. So as we approach old age and ebbing energy and vitality levels, I ponder how you, at this similar age, started from scratch a worldwide movement. Your grace had to translate and write and print all the books necessary for your mission. So a solitary soldier, a lone soldier, powered by love in your heart and purity as your shield. Okay, that's all right. So as we ourselves get tired and the body hurts with every movement and the brain dulls, we wonder how you did it, how you forged a great dynamic spiritual mission with little help to start with. So your early disciples, helpers from New York, are either old, retired, or have departed for more service elsewhere in realms unknown. And we remember fondly those who have left us. We honour the assistance they rendered at your divine lotus feet. Honour to Mukunda Maharaj for that. So I cannot help but wonder at your prowess, glory and indomitable spirit to preach to all the fallen souls. In Kali Yuga, the devotees need extra care and help. We have been bashed and smashed by Maya over and over for many lifetimes. We remember your overflowing compassion and endless caring. You overlooked our faults and even glorified and defended your disciples. So as death creeps towards us and we struggle with less energy and bodily pains in places we didn't know there could be pains, we think of how you became magnificent. At this time of your life, you shone gloriously. The long preparation for your divine mission for Krishna fructified. You travelled tirelessly to every country, rallying lost souls to help you, never losing momentum despite your mature bodily age. Who can understand where your energy came from? You had boundless drive, your rising early, your nighttime book translation, your continuous giving of yourself to others. Love of the Lord buoyed you onwards. You shared that with us, giving us energy, enthusiasm and determination. Sometimes your demands seemed beyond us and we were anxious and forlorn. But then you would uplift us by visits or letters or your smiles. Old age didn't thwart your attempts to divert the course of Kali Yuga. You powered on relentlessly. Till the last breath, love of Radha Krishna seeping out of your being, your kindness never waning. I was impressed by your sharp mind. Your classes were full of numerous quotes, analogies and anecdotes from the acharyas, and as I listen to your preaching, I hear a clever sadhu at the top of his game, focused, alert and amazing. Your depth of knowledge profoundly tinged with unmotivated, unadulterated, overwhelming feelings of love for the divine couple. And I found this room conversation, little quote from Prabhupada that was really interesting. It was from Johannesburg in 1975, which gives us a very intimate glimpse into the mind of Srila Prabhupada when he was first coming to the United States. Quote, I went to United States, an unknown country, without any friend, without any hope, simply on theory that I shall go and preach there. And with this expectation also that as soon as I shall ask them to give up all these habits, they will ask me to go away. So, in the face of so many odds and uncertainty, I went there, simply depending on Krishna, with this hope only that if there is desire, everything can be done. But otherwise, there is no hope. I am there hopeless, just to make an experiment. Now, I thought that was interesting. How do you all feel like being Srila Prabhupada's experiment? We're all Srila Prabhupada's experiment. So my other god brothers failed. All right, Guru Maharaj asked me. In the beginning, I did not do it. Let me do it in this old age. So it became a surprisingly success. It started with only 40 rupees, unquote. So thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for defying the afflictions of advanced age, and thank you for marching headlong into our lives forever. Your servant, Rasarani, Devi, Dasi.